What I'm going to teach you in this video will benefit you for the remainder of your dating life and relationship. So, stay with me and listen to what I say. I don't mind if you skip the video, but if you fail to grasp the concept, why watch? Have you ever pondered why some women treat certain men as inferior while eagerly pursuing others? If you think the answer is solely about money or body shape, you are mistaken. In fact, there are many attractive men out there who are unable to secure a single date, as well as many wealthy men who are simply exploited by women for their money. So, what is the real secret? The solution is simple. High-value men understand how to ignore women. The truth is that most men are simps who are yearning to chat with a woman. High-value males are the reverse. These males understand just how to neglect women, which drives them mad. Listen attentively. Ignoring a lady will fascinate her. Believe me, women crave attention. Once you stop giving them attention, you instantly set yourself apart from most other men. However, you must know how to do it. There is a psychology behind how to properly ignore women. And by the end of this film, you'll know exactly how to use it yourself. Are you prepared for that? Now, we'll explore 8 reasons why high-value guys tend to ignore women. Number 1. Be brave. Before you consider ignoring a woman, you must first be able to approach her as a man. Passivity is the path of women, not men. High-value men have a clear vision of what they want from life. They don't just sit back and wait for something to happen. Remember, fortune favors the bold. High-value guys recognize that individuals who are willing to take risks reap significant returns. Do not be scared to approach a woman. Waiting for her and remaining inactive are for losers. Remember that facing rejection and failure is better than regretting not trying. You may always learn from your mistakes, but you can't go back in time to reclaim lost possibilities. Number 2, pay attention. When a woman checks on her phone, she receives numerous alerts on social media from eager males who want to give her free attention. This inflates her self-esteem before she even has a chance to clean her teeth. Remember that a high-value man does not provide attention for nothing. He might meet a woman and introduce himself to her to spark a connection, but then he stops paying attention. Now that he has the girl's attention, he treats her as if she is nothing special. That is the key. This action will make the woman wonder why you aren't chasing her like other men. Think about it. Every day, she receives free attention from a large number of males. Why doesn't this man pay her attention? Why is he special? The woman will question why she isn't remarkable enough to get your attention. She will do anything to get your attention because she can't accept that you don't affirm her. Please do not mistake my words. I am not advocating that you engage in mind games with women or spend the entire day playing video games. Although these mind games may work, if you value your time in life and prioritize vital activities, a high-value man has better things to do than boost a woman's ego with social media comments and likes. Leave those responsibilities to the weaker beta guys and serve her a reality check that will humble her. Number 3, accepting the courageous mindset. High-value guys recognize their worth and are confident in their attractiveness to women. They do not see women as unattainable superior beings, but as equals. This brave attitude enables guys to remain composed and easygoing around women, making them irresistibly beautiful. In contrast, many guys grow uneasy around gorgeous women due to a lack of confidence and the absence of this high-value mindset. The key here is charisma. which comes from a strong belief in oneself. Imagine yourself at the pinnacle of your life, radiating strength and confidence. To cultivate this fearless mindset, you must first understand and nurture your own value. Develop yourself in all aspects of life to avoid intimidation or overawe from any woman. Remember that you are your own greatest asset. Number 4. Stop rewarding negative conduct. In the following segment, we will discuss the concept of not rewarding negative behavior. High-value guys recognize the importance of avoiding petty arguments and fights. If a lady continually seeks reasons to argue with you, you should avoid the trap. This usually signifies a lack of regard and admiration for you, and it is a signal to remove yourself. You are clearly communicating to her that you will not tolerate her outburst without consequences. In such cases, stop showering her with your customary care and attention until she admits her mistake and apologizes. Avoid becoming overly emotional or reactive, as this may make you appear weak. Keep in mind, women do not find attraction in weakness. Instead, if you are unclear how to reply, choose silence and keep a serious face. Silence can frequently have a greater impact than superfluous words. If you decide to talk, be concise, measured, and succinct. This method may help you regain control of the situation. Remember, as a high-value man, you must stand your ground and not encourage unacceptable behavior. This sets the tone of your relationship and boosts your appeal by showing your strength and resolve. 5. He is occupied with a strong sense of purpose. A high-value man has lofty goals and is determined to achieve them. Such a man is so concentrated and motivated that he doesn't have time for frivolous flirtation or meaningless partnerships. Instead, he devotes his attention to creating a life he can be proud of. He does not sit around waiting for fortune to knock on his door. Instead, he takes the initiative and gets things done. He's proactive, industrious, and stands out from the typical Joe who lavishes ladies with attention every day. Getting a job, exercising, and taking care of your body are all part of the deal. Imagine this metaphor. Winning over a lady is like fighting a battle, and you need weapons to prevail. Your strength serves as a seductive weapon. Your armament includes a luxurious lifestyle, a fit body, and a pleasant appearance. Our channel is full of tips on how to increase your appeal. Feel free to take ideas from it. 6. The art of independence. Learn to be alone. In the next segment, we'll look at the value of independence and self-reliance. As we've previously stated, high-value males are not afraid of being alone. They value their isolation, using it for contemplation and personal development. They recognize that their self-worth is not dependent on their relationship status, and they do not require a woman to affirm their existence. They are entire in themselves and exude this completeness, this confidence, which is really appealing. This is not to say that high-value guys do not seek or appreciate companionship. They do, but they see the distinction between wanting and requiring a woman. They desire a woman who complements their lives rather than completes it. They are picky about their relationships, preferring only those that fit their high expectations. So, gentlemen, learn to enjoy your own company, to be confident in yourself, and to be self-sufficient. This is how to become a high-value man. Advice number 7, embrace directness and precision. In that segment, we talk about the necessity of being direct and precise. High-value men recognize the importance of straightforward communication when dealing with a woman. Avoid making ambiguous statements and don't act like just another friend. Avoid using too many emoticons or silly language in your texts. Be yourself, but remember to channel your manly energy. A high-value man is clear and exact. There is no need to waste time debating petty issues. Leave idle chatter to the simps. Always remember that it is better to face rejection and go on than to waste time arguing with a woman who does not appreciate you. A high-value male often ignores or ghosts a woman who tries to play games. This sends a clear message that she must be on her best behavior with him, as well as indicating that he is willing to replace her if necessary. Many guys waste valuable time in unhealthy relationships that are doomed to fail. Do not allow yourself to fall into this trap. Choose your company carefully and don't waste your time with people that are unworthy of it. Let's wrap up this video with advice number 8. Do not adjust your plans for her. High-value men appreciate the value of their time. They have their own lives, complete with employment, interests, friends, and aspirations. They do not cancel existing engagements simply to meet with an attractive woman. Yes, being accommodating may sound lovely, but it demonstrates to her that she comes first, regardless of your other responsibilities. You're exaggerating her importance without really knowing her. Keep in mind that a captivating man possesses a unique personality, and his social interactions extend beyond women. When she realizes that your time is valuable and not readily obtained, she will interpret it as a sign that she must work more to get your attention. So instead of telling her that I'm available at any time, tell her that I'm really busy, but I'll make every attempt to meet with you. This remark not only sounds more intriguing, but it also demonstrates your high worth. Don't make oneself so simply available. Make her understand that your time is valuable. And if she wants to be a part of your life, she must respect it. After all, time is a resource that we can never get back, so use it wisely. I want you to share your experiences and ideas in the comments area. This channel will help you progress in your life. Don't worry whether you're having relationship or employment issues. My job is to help you in all aspects of your life. So, hit the subscribe button. You'll have a clear roadmap to success in any aspect of your life. Stay with us and let us help you enhance your life. Our channel will present the greatest and most successful strategies to attract ladies, regardless of the conditions.